I'm ready to fold my towels, the biggest part of this laundry basket. And I will need to stand up to really get it all laid out the right way. It reminds me of when we make our beds for nap time. If you grab a corner, sometimes you have to search for them. Here's one and here's another. Give it a good, so that we can see all 4 corners. Just like the little towel, you grab your corners. You might need to walk all the way over to find the corner to corner. And if it's not perfect, or if it does that, just fix it and make it smooth. I can do it again. This time the corner and the corner are what I made, and we match it with the other corners. Beautiful. Once it's long, I can switch it so I can grab all of these that make the big corners and match to those big corners. Beautiful job. Now this can be put away. One more. Oh, it's a little too long. That's okay. Find the corners and then make it smooth. Beautiful. Okay. Ready to put away.